Good Thursday morning to you, or whatever time it is that you're watching this. Welcome to Declutter the Brain. I am Kitty Andrews, helping my fellow neurodivergents, perhaps you are one, to simplify their lives so that they can focus on the one thing that will move the needle in their daily productivity. And how do we do that? Well, I'll tell you what, you just hold that one thought and we'll give you your next one step to take in about 4 minutes from now. Time to change your life? Yeah, we can do that. Okay, our topic this week is simplifying your kids' spaces. For what reason? So you can have peace and calm in your home, save your sanity basically when you're trying to look for things, and teach them lifelong habits. So first, do not try to do it all in one day. Give yourself time, give yourself a month. And remember, children do not like change until the change is there and then they love it. So you're going to get some pushback. So you're going to have to use your best sales skills to sell them on the whole simplifying / decluttering idea. Just tell them we're going to give your play space a makeover so that you can find your toys and play with them in new ways. Won't that be exciting? And they're gonna look back at you, and you're gonna keep that smile when you're right. Okay, it'll work eventually. See if you can grab yourself a friend who wants to do the same thing, and then you can have fun texting each other back and forth and have a good long drink after. Or not. Okay, now where to start? Get rid of the obvious trash first. The broken toys, the broken books, things that shouldn't be seeing the light of day. Put those in a green garbage bag. Get rid of them as soon as you can. The rest of it, donate the nice stuff. Come on, to a younger sibling or a cousin or I recommend a women's shelter. I really do. As opposed to Value Village or Goodwill. The women's shelter, they need these kind of things, okay? They need kids' items. They have told me they need kids' items, so who am I to argue? Okay, now you can either do this clearing their space when they're sleeping, if they're quite young, or preferably involve them, because then it gives them a sense of control and that they're contributing, that they're helping, right? So you have two ways of doing this. You can either, first you want to make sure that you have some sort of staging area, a work area, away from all of the riffraff. And you can either start on one end of the room and work your way around in a circle, or you can go by category, which could be less overwhelming for you and especially the child. And like, okay, today we're only going to work on books. Oh, okay, well, that should be pretty easy. Think of this. Don't decide what to get rid of, only decide what to keep. And that to a child simplifies things. That to an ADHDer simplifies things. Maybe I should retitle this to Kids and ADHDers. Stop nodding, Susan. Okay, and drive away your discards immediately or as soon as possible. Okay, now today you have gone through all of the items. You can consider yourself decluttered and simplified. Now it's time to organize. So make sections in the room. You could have a section for books, a section for toys, a section for clothes. Easier for the kid too. And beware the Bermuda Triangle of the big deep bin that's opaque, that nobody knows what's in there. Don't do that to yourself. Make sure that the bins are clear, and if you can get shelves that sit directly on a shelf so the kid can see it. You want to make things easy, just like you would for yourself. If you have those plastic 3-drawer organizers, marvelous. Label things till the cows come home on this. Absolutely. You could have one for each child and that eliminates fights. Now, when it comes to clothing, Michael and I have talked about this before. You may want to have a lot of similar items, like 7 pairs of pants, 7 similar t-shirts, a couple of hoodies in different colors, perhaps, and patterns. Bottom line, keep everything as simple as possible for your sanity and for theirs. Till tomorrow when we talk about being decluttered for life. Yeah, simplified for life, absolutely. Scroll down below. There's a phone number to text for your no-cost guest pass to our ADHD-CONNECT meeting, where we have fun, we get a lot done, and it's just part of what I consider to be a great one-on-one within a group coaching container program. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Have a terrific day, everybody. Bye for now.